his inner peace. His faith allowed him to survive a period of great trial, and it was in his fortitude that I learned how faith can allow a person to stand in the name of the difficult trial, as opposed to succumbing to the easy road. Faith keeps a person from being overwhelmed by despair. It is that which allows us to stand the tests of the present and believe that the best is yet to come and that we are capable of making it happen. Today, we gather to strengthen that faith and to pray for our collective hopes. More than that, however, we are also celebrating an organization dedicated to giving others back their hope. World Vision has given children a chance to realize their dreams, while also giving those with resources a chance to enrich their lives by helping us. Your work has empowered many from different sectors to defeat the culture of negativity and replace it with a culture of compassion. For that, I thank you and congratulate you. I also thank as well all those who have contributed to your causes. This season, let us all be reminded of what more we could do for our country. By January, the Christmas songs may stop playing in malls. The lights that decorate our houses and streets may be gone. But it is up to us whether the hearts of the Filipino children and those of the less fortunate will remain lit with hope. It is up to us to show them that Filipino compassion is not seasonal. And through our work, perhaps we may allow those in the margins to lift themselves and their families out of poverty, and to one day likewise give to their countrymen in need, contributing to the virtuous cycle of social good. The fulfillment of these hopes depends on our continuous actions today. I call on all Filipinos to use this season as an opportunity to spark once again the spirit of kindness and community that has long... Sensya po, may nakalalaw yata sa atin. Sana ko makilala ko na sa Scarlet.
Ayun yun eh, true love mo eh.
Pero na-enjoy mo natin. A community that has long characterized our people so that together we can move our nation forward. Yun na po ang ating dalawang kalahating pahinang talumpati. Ulit-ulit ko lang po, walang magandang hindi bumabalik sa nagbigay ng kagandahan. Wala akong kabutihan, hindi nasusukyan. Bigyan mo ng pagkakataon makatulong sa ating kapwa. Talagang sa ganito pong paraan. Paggawa po ng pagtulong na yan, pare-pareho tayo sabay-sabay pa. Magandang araw po, maraming salamat.